Hello, good morning from Doha, Qatar. Howzig ayuki pung mga makhaitare ay mayam da kayo mo ucharake very interesting video. Asigi ud mayam se makoy huzi competition na ko race ki same sadana makoy huzi preparation tawribani. Asi loiraga makoy huzi lamjen hawani. Mashallah. Hello, live from Shahaniya, and our reporter. We are a team today of robots, and we came to Shahaniya, and this is my first ever experience. Yes. Oh my God, that's so fun again! This is my first time. Camel race. Wow, beautiful! I'm gonna take you to the road towards the end of this. The track, racing track. So everybody is following. Ashida cheliba ud camel se ginakan da thoriba Toyota Land Cruiser mayam se magi presenter amadi kaino makoigi mapu haitare kwa competition ne international competition ne anamba mapan naknaba makoigi Qatar gi thangnaba Middle East country Sudan dagi sulai Oman adagi Saudi Arabia dagi Doha Dubai ashimyam dagi moi khoi lam dagi la aga kwa Jordan makoy mi loina shure se makoy gi camel se chain ba se scenery ni ko camel sing si gi quite interesting ul pot ama haira gadi mi na thaude ko mi sina control to bogi wani du camel si gi mana ganda walkie talkie ma yauri ba walkie talkie se makoy gi robot jockeys hai ko makoy se robot sing se walkie talkie se attach ga antenna sang ba mana makoy se kanna chain na bai na chai dina kan doi ni ko makoy da tak tak long na yam kanna dinate but just encouragement hai tare makoy gi presenter sing na signal ma pi doi ni walkie talkie the walkie talkie is controlling the robot jockeys asomai to dana lambi se kanna makoy na nakan da inaraga senaraga camel sing se cheli bane camel se yam re makoy si da cheli se
بالرقم 1 يا بمبرقان غير بانطلاقة هذا الشعار هجني أم الزبر تتحرك على المركز الأول تتحرك على المركز الثاني ولكن بمبرقان من يقدم لنا مسيان على المركز الأول المركز الثاني السعدي لهجني أم الزبر وناصر بن محمد بن مسلر الشهواني والمركز الثالث غلاب لهجني الشحانية وهنا محمد بن خالد العطية مقدم لنا انطلاقة وتحديات غلاب ولكن مسيان على المركز الأول مسيان مع اللحظات
Camels are beautiful, so do I. I love camels, You have seen the whole track, like for the running ups and downs from the front and the back, along with the Toyota, not only the Camel. And now this is the starting point. They will begin the racing from this point until there that we have. I took you along. So how many?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers they run, and how many together? How many camels?
Yes, 5 kilo.
5 kilo? Is how? 10? 15?
Around?
This total camel inside?
How many كم واحد؟
15
أنا ممكن يكون 20 15 16 كل شوط كذا.
And you get to see here every day all the camels.
My friend, come down a little bit. Go up next to Adif quickly and talk to him.
Adil.
He's famous Adif,
My
yes.
name Tami. Adil.
عادل.
Tami. From India.
هندي؟
India. Hindi malum?
هندي شو لا شوي.
Try. Arabic mush mafi.
ما في عربي.
Shy. Mafi. Shy. I get Mr. Adil je mase Sudan de gine akoigi sida racing magi camel sing se magi event se mana sena ba haitare ko camel thadok thajen magi timing asigi mamang da screen na choba ma thetle TV screen sida mana khanga doine ko mako and then mana paidi walkie talkie sida makoigi manung da leiba da yourakadoba makoi point from starting to the last ending point siga pau phaudo phauzen tauba yamna senior ne sida leiba mana kwai dagi senior haitare makoi mayam event organize tauba sida kwa mase English khangdaba adagi Arabic khaktang khangba aina mu Arabic khangdaba kwa sida cheli ba camel sing je makoi chahi khaido a category ma'am khaido a chahi gi matungina makoina cheli ba speed se 40 dani kwa per hour then yam sang chela ga 30 da chele adagi sida laiba mayam se makoi competition ne makoi gi farm adagi value increase tau doine kwa si kari gumba masa masa gi camel sina first star ga winner oiraga di makoi se they're not really into price haitare phangiba makoi paisa yam chauna phange aduda makoi kaishumta moi mana thade haitare ko
Marhaba, my name is Sam.
My name is
Abdulrahim.
My name is Hamid.
Hamad from Sudan. I'm from India. You like camels? How long you are doing this camel racing?
Race.
Yeah.
Race.
You are a presenter? Like you do the training for the camel? I see. You have to make sure when you arrive this Shahaniya, you have to be very careful for when you are walking and crossing because humans are not worth here. Camels are worth. Camel is higher worth than anything else. They are so freaking expensive. If you are killed in the Shahaniya by car or anything, doesn't matter.
He's the best person here.
So Adil,
Yes.
hello, marhaba. They are very
Adil famous with one word.
I
Open ya Adil.
Open your eyes.
the final approach
هذا وصل
hello
واحد ورقه على اوله هذا عمك معاه واحد
asi camel gi mathakta tongba robot macha doni ko aduga chai asangba ma yauri se mari asangba antina asina makoida masada signal pi doni ko makoina kanna chena ba ina presenter duna senara ka doni asi makoi hujik lamzen chena bagi ready the queue de leiba camel sing ne background da
On your mark. Set. Wow. Arabic? Arabic ما في.
انت انجليزي معلوم انا عربي معلوم.
No problem, no problem. شوي Arabic شوي. Yeah, little. Beautiful camels, mashallah.
Good.
First class. شكرا.
هندي كامل نو؟ هندي.
Hindi?
كامل نو.
No camel. No Hindi camel.
يلا يلا يا
From they have a different names and the category. So from 5 years to old until 6 they call it Zumul. What does that mean? Zumul is what?
Is this age?
Is the age.
أنا بالشحنية ومعي مس إنديا.
This is height. I am 5'5". They are 7, right? 7 to 8 feet tall. That was the last race, the 10th number of today. And the rest will be the training camels. We'll be, doing some kind of trainings for this competition. But this is the grand finale. This is one of
asigi lamjen thabam gi preparation tobam ko asida changaga ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯨꯕꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯝꯐꯝꯅꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯝ ꯊꯪꯕꯗ ꯈꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯂꯤꯊꯣꯛꯐꯝꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯠ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯉꯛꯁꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯐꯤꯠ 8ꯃꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯡꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯕꯦꯗꯋꯤꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯖꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯖꯁ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯟꯗꯤꯡꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ huge amount involved with the governments and the peoples from this country ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯜꯕꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯊꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ environment and plus temperature-ꯒꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ Oh, I feel so
Before they will keep
soft. These are soft sands, and this is the where they rest. Look at this.